Welcome everybody. We're here at the 11th annual Europa Property Retail Awards jury dinner. We've got over 60 retailers, investors, developers, service providers, all here, all the night, voting on the most important projects in CRE on the retail side. The retailers, they are all here tonight. This is the hottest event for retail real estate in Central Eastern Europe, and we'll see you tonight at the gala. If you don't have a ticket yet, book it at retailawards.eu or just call us direct because tickets are almost gone. We got a couple of good places left, and we'll see you tonight, and we'll have a lot of very cool things going on, and Lemon Media will be doing it all live in real time, the winners, so keep your eye on #retailawards.eu, and see you tomorrow.